Hello everyone, welcome to KMIT Solutions Services. My name is Raman. In this lecture, I want you to walk through the source code which I'm going to use in this project. So in this project, I'm using a very simple banking application which is having this index.html page. And it is calling some of the microservices, and these microservices also I have developed. This is the microservice folder. Under that, I have customer care, deposit, internet banking, and withdraw. So these are the Spring Boot application. As a DevOps engineer, we are not much worrying about the logic of the application or how it is developed. That is why I have developed a very simple banking application. And these microservices are also very simple. So if I just go to this customer care microservice, this is Maven project. And if you see here under source, under main, and then Java and customer application.java, it is very simple. I am just returning a function with a string value, customer care service is called, right? So this is basically how I have created this very simple, or you can say it's the simplest Java-based application. Now to invoke these services, I have developed this index.html page. Now if I run this, I'll just show you how it looks like. So this is the banking application. And if I just click on this, it will not work unless you start these application or you build this application. To build this application, we need to use the uh, we basically need to run these application into the Tomcat server. So there is a inbuilt Tomcat server for Spring Boot application. So I'm using that one for now, but I will show you how you can install